Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy leg pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is a online marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here we will go to our temu.com and here I will search for the leg pillow. So here we have our leg pillow. Okay. So here I will just go for this. This will cost you a $5.08. So leg pillow is a leg pillow for your leg pain, for your relax, and it will be very comfortable to use. You can just use between your legs while sleeping like this. Okay. So this pillow is washable and it is very easy to use. And here we can see some reviews also of the pillow. Okay. So here we can see it's a orthopedic design and it's ergonomical and it's stay 20% longer than the traditional leg pillows. So here we can see all the other things. So the size is your 13 centimeter by 62. Okay, no, sorry, 7.2 centimeter. So to buy, you can just click on add to cart button and then you can just click on buy button and follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a leg pillow on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.